Can't believe I'm actually playing this again, man. Look at this. 2004. Come on here, you little chicken. I'm the chicken chaser after all. There you go. Man, look at this. This is such a timeless masterpiece. I don't know how many times I've played this game. I have played this game so many times in my life, and I'm never gonna get tired of it. Let's catch this cheetah over here. Oh, hello. Right. No. Yeah, I'm gonna go tell her. I don't know, I've always played this as pretty much of a good guy. Should I go evil this round? I don't know. I don't have the... Yeah, I just need one more, or two. Where's his wife? Here it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy playing Fable again, the lost chapters.